Designed by architectural practice, Future Systems, and operated by Jan Kaplicky and Amanda Levete, this space-age greenhouse is a radical alternative to the conventional three-storey terraced house that has dominated Britain's city streets for the past 300 years. At 40 Douglas Road, what might have been was a bland neo-Victorian confection for which planning permission had been approved. This, however, was not to the liking of Jeremy King and Deborah Hauer, who wanted a modern house tailored to their tastes and way of life. To the street, there was to be a wall of glass bricks. To the rear, facing south, the house appeared as a ski slope of clear glass, a strategy adopted to make optimum use of the small site and to maximize natural light. The house is entered across a sinuous metal bridge that curves to avoid a protected tree. Unfortunately, that tree has now been destroyed. Inside, glass bricks predominate. Kaplicky and Levete have no hesitation in conceding the influence of Pierre Chareau's famous Maison de Verre in Paris, with its great facade of glass bricks. Beyond the glazed wall which encases the staircase, there are rooms on 4 levels, a kitchen and dining room, plus a tiny flat for visitors at garden level, a big living and entertaining space above with views down into the lower level, a huge shared bedroom for the couple's 2 young daughters on the first floor, and, on the top floor of this glass ziggurat, the main bedroom. All the core elements of the house, such as bathrooms and storage, are treated as freestanding sculptures, brightly coloured in contrast to the luminous, all-white walls. The house is curious for not having a roof in the conventional sense. Instead, the glazing at the back of the house sweeps over to meet that of the facade. The glass is unframed, giving a sheer and extremely lightweight look. Privacy and sunscreening are provided by means of specially designed blinds. The glazing and white rubber floors invoke memories of high-tech monuments of the past. The white flooring, carefully separated from the wall surfaces by verges of polished aluminium, will extend out from the kitchen dining room to cover the garden area, with sliding doors allowing the interior and exterior to merge in fine weather. Future Systems have brought an uncompromisingly modern architecture to a typical London street. They have produced a building with a memorable kick in its tail. They have made their mark on London and demonstrated an understanding that a respect for context does not have to result in bland architecture. In the past, Future Systems have veered between a dramatic, lightweight monumentalism. Now finally, they have come down to earth in their own futuristic way, meeting the complex, untidy, sometimes ugly, sometimes sublime, mesh of urban structures and social relationships which mark out the lives of most British people. In Islington, they have built an adventurous house at which no one should throw stones.